Here is a media washing machine. To start using it, open this door, put in your clothes, close the door, open the small drawer. Over here you have 3 sections. This one can be used for the powder detergent, liquid detergent, and the clothes softener. Close this. Turn this knob on to the right or to the left as per the preference you want to select from here. It shows you the degree that you want to select. Also, a quick 15 minutes can be used. Press this button to start using it. If you want to pause, use the same button and pause it.